This is a Lego puzzle box. It basically is the one that Astonishing Studios made, version 1. Check them out on the channel. It's good. So how to start with step 1, you gotta push this piece right there inwards. Then we'll let this piece come out. You gotta pull that out. Then push this piece inward. Comes at the back. And also your little small piece right there. And finally you push this one to the side. And then you gotta pull this out. And out comes a little piece, which is supposed to be money, but I can't find $100 bills anywhere. So yes, to reload, you just take the top off, put this in, slide in, place the money, then place this this piece right here. Then you take the small piece, put it there, and the other small piece, you slip that in the back. Then put back on the top. And there you go. Done. That is a Lego puzzle box. Thank you.